Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. In business, the format of your document is just as important as the content inside it. Should it be a permanent record or an editable draft? With Smart Form Publisher, you have the flexibility to generate files in the format that best fits your workflow. Let's break down the best choices for your business. Choose PDF when you want to ensure the integrity of your document. It's the gold standard for final versions because it cannot be easily edited by the recipient. PDFs also look identical on every device, making them the perfect choice for branded invoices, professional certificates, and signed agreements. Switching formats is easy. In the Smart Form Publisher sidebar, go to your Output settings. Under Output Format, simply select your preferred file type from the drop-down menu. You can change this at any time, allowing your form to adapt as your project moves from draft to final version. Here's a pro tip. Use different templates for different stages of your business. Start with Word for collaboration, and switch to PDF for delivery. Whatever your business needs, Smart Form Publisher ensures your data is delivered in the right package, every time. Ready to format your success? Install Smart Form Publisher today. Visit gwaddons.com to explore our full suite of document automation tools.